We're here in Lilo Garden Resort in Krinan, here in Pulumulok. It's a boutique na garden resort hotel. They have 2 cottages here na, what do you call this one ba? Non-aircon. Kiara is there. Nag-overnight kami na because of birthday ni Hana. So they have yung pool here. Ito ata pwedeng painitin. So if you have mga small na party, small gathering, 50 to 100 people, pwede na to. Ayan, please. Develop na rin, but you go out though here on that side, andyan pa rin yung pineapple plantation. Ito yung place nila. Pwede nga, no? 100 even. Siguro maximum 150. 200 medyo ipit na. Okay. What's yung place na yan? They're building structures there. Sa mga private parties, no, pwede na. So ito yung main nila, main place for yung accommodation. Sort of parang para siyang, what do you call that ba? Boarding house. Daming mga beds. I think this one can accommodate mga 10 people if you want to stay overnight. Yung owner nito, kababata ko, no? Kapitbahay namin. Ayan. So highly recommended, no, yung place if you want yung private party. Again, this is Lilo Garden Resort in Krinan 6, Pulumulok. Kasi yung Krinan 5 is in Jensan. Just 15 minutes, no, na drive from Jensan. Very near.